Hey everybody, John C. here in sunny Southwest Florida, and yes, I am at an open house today. It's been a while since I've been able to do an open house. Homes move so quickly, but we put this condo on the market Thursday, or maybe yesterday morning, and I said, you know what, let's just do a quick open house on this over the weekend since it'll probably be gone by Monday or Tuesday at the latest. I thought, you know what, let's do an open house. Let's show people this home, give them the opportunity. So I'm gonna bypass the garage because, well, it's a garage. Most people don't care much about those, but I wanna show you this 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo. You got a dining area here, which is really cool. And if you haven't noticed on my phone, I got this new little feature where I can do a video in a video. That's kind of fun. We'll come back to this area here in just a minute. I'll show you the 2 bedrooms over here. There's a bathroom as well. Currently have this room set up kind of like an office space. Desk. Here's your 2nd bedroom and your bathroom. Let's take a quick peek in there. Just your standard bathroom, shower, tub, all that fun stuff. And then there's your 2nd, 3rd bedrooms right here. Little linen closet. Let's walk back. I'll show you the master bedroom as we go back through this area. Kitchen's really nice. Oh, I love this part of the house. We're gonna peek out here real quick. Screen lanai overlooking a really awesome wooded preserve back here. Super quiet, which by the way, I didn't tell you yet, but this condo is located in Naples, right off Pine Ridge. And it's a great community. They have a pool that you can use as a member. Condo fees are really a good price actually for everything that you get. It's around $360 a month. Takes care of everything outside of the home, yard, all that fun stuff. Take a look at the bathroom here real quick. Nice walk-in shower, double sink. Closet's huge. We won't walk in there, but there's your walk-in closet as well. If you're looking for a home in this area, call, text, or email me. Glad to show you this home. It's Saturday. I'm here till 4 o'clock today. Probably won't be here when you watch this video, but glad to help you. Call, text, or email me anytime. Glad to serve you. 239-304-6224. Look forward to helping you. If you want this home or you know somebody who wants to live in Naples, have them reach out to me. Have a great day.